The iPhone 14 rumors have already begun, and Apple's next flagship phone is tipped to get some pretty big changes. While the new iPhone 13 models offer mostly iterative upgrades, the iPhone 14 could bring some of the biggest upgrades in years. So far, the rumors are pointing towards the end of the notch, possible under Display Touch ID, a powerful new 4nm processor, and a possible port-less design for one of the models. The biggest rumor is that the iPhone mini could go away in favor of a new size. Yes, we could see a 6.7-inch iPhone 14 Max along with a 6.1-inch iPhone 14. Here's what we've heard so far about the iPhone 14 and what we'd like to see from Apple's 2022 smartphone. We've heard no hint on a potential release date for the iPhone 14. But going by previous Apple iPhone launch events, we'd expect to see the iPhone 14 make its debut in September 2022. As for price, it's also difficult to predict. But we suspect the iPhone 14 will match the price of the iPhone 13, which starts at 60,000 rupees for the regular iPhone 13 and 1 lakh for the iPhone 13 Pro. However, there could be no iPhone 14 mini at all, so we did expect a larger 6.7-inch iPhone 14 Max to cost 1.2 lakhs. From there, the iPhone 14 Pro could cost 1.2 lakh and the iPhone 14 Pro Max 1.4 lakhs or more. What about iPhone 14 mini? Despite the iPhone 12 mini's reportedly poor sales, Apple has revealed an iPhone 13 mini. But the mini could be toast after that, as the company will reportedly shake up the iPhone 14 lineup for 2022. There could be a larger iPhone 14 Plus or Max to go along with the regular 6.1-inch iPhone 14. So there would be 2 regular size phones and 2 larger screen iPhone 14 models. This was further backed up by Prosser, who in a video claimed the iPhone 14 Max will be the replacement for a mini phone, offering a 6.7-inch display only without coming with a load of Pro features and thus an hefty price tag. Given the appetite for larger phones, a big yet more affordable iPhone could be just the thing for iPhone fans. Coming to iPhone 14 design, according to Jon Prosser and his front page tech video, the iPhone 14 will look like an iPhone 12 crossed with an iPhone 4, in that it'll stick with flat edges. But on those edges could be a mute button and a group of rounded buttons for volume central, harking back to the iPhone 4. Supposedly, the sides of the iPhone 14 could be made out of titanium, which could make it tougher and stronger than the previous iPhones, whereas the back would retain the glass finish but seemingly with a satin-like finish. Speaking of edges, there are rumors that a next-gen iPhone will be portless, but Prosser claims the iPhone 14 will stick with Lightning ports. Another design change potentially in the cards for the iPhone 14 is the trio of rear cameras will no longer protrude from the iPhone's rear but sit flush with the back. Given advancements in camera sensor technology and lens manufacturing, this could be a possibility. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman has also added his thoughts on the iPhone 14 leaks and has claimed the next Apple phone will have a complete redesign. Setting is rather far apart from the iPhone 13. That's because, according to Gurman, Apple's engineers were working behind the scenes on bigger things that will take more time, and as a result we are set to see more significant changes for the iPhone 14 over the iPhone 13. And the most notable change is said to be the final removal of the display notch that's been present since the iPhone 10, more on that later. Said concept phone has no notch, kills the rear camera bump and comes with USB-C connectivity. How likely such changes are is open to discussion, but we hope there's some nugget of truth to this concept. If you really want to geek out, Concept's iPhone has put together a very cool but also very unrealistic concept of a sliding iPhone 14. While it won't give you second display, we see Apple going the foldable route at some point. For now, this is pretty much all the information that we could gather surrounding our series, but we will make sure to keep you posted on the same. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant news updates and in-depth reviews of the devices.